With this crown comes great responsibility. And of course, dreams come true. You look at them and you know they do. How does it feel finally? Is it sinking in the feeling?
It's sinking in small packets.
It is?
Yeah.
Still absorbing the feeling.
Are you still getting used to the fact that people are like, oh my god, they're the Miss India? You know, and all the selfies that people are clicking with you all.
I think it will take a few more days to like completely sink in.
I think it's a tremendous journey, right? At first, obviously, like to ask Manushi, and then, you know, with Sana and Priyanka. Tell me about your journey.
I come from a background where no one knows anything about pageants. So it was something very new to all of us. And but I feel grateful that my parents were really supportive about it. So when I used to go to prepare myself for coaching, my parents used to be there with me. So it was not only my preparation, but it was theirs too. So I think I'm very grateful for them for that. And you know, Miss India, it's all been about the journey, not just the crowning, because we got to learn so much. And spending those 30 days with 29 other contestants, I felt that, you know, everyone had something new to offer. You get to learn so much.
Priyanka, did your, you know, friends, parents, relatives, क्या वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब excited थे?
I tell this to everyone that I was always a very tomboyish girl and I was never like this. So when I won Miss India, when I participated in Miss India only, they were very shocked and surprised. But my parents and my friends have been very supportive on social media for everything. They were always there. So when I won, they were really, really happy, but they were surprised as well.
थोड़ा daunting होता है, right? It's a lot to grasp.
I come from an army background, so I've always, you know, as a child also, I used to keep changing schools and go to different places. And I read this quote somewhere which said that, you know, like an actor, you have to constantly redefine your personality. And I've been doing that all my life. So it is, you know, that has worked for me in a way, but at the same time, the kind of pressure that you feel around you, because everything is new to you.
Obviously, and I look at you all and I see, of course, you can feel the entire aura of why you guys have been crowned. आपके life में भी ऐसे कुछ icons होंगे who have been Femina Miss Indias before. So I'll start with you. Who is that icon from the previous Femina Miss Indias?
And of course, it was Rita Faria, Dr. Rita Faria. So she was the first Indian ever to win Miss World, the first Asian actually. And that was the first time India represented at Miss World. And we won it. So I feel that she's one woman that I really look up to.
I really like Lara Datta because she's very confident and she's very like original. She's always herself and it comes naturally to her to be so charming and gorgeous. And she expresses her words and her feelings in such a manner that everyone can really relate to her. So that's what I really like about her.
I like all of them, but at the same time, I think Priyanka Chopra, Miss Priyanka Chopra is someone who is, you know, I think she's broken all records and she's just like taken this pageant to another level by doing so much in life, and you know, she's really been an inspiration for all of us.
Absolutely. जब हम बात कर ही रहे हैं Priyanka and Lara की, obviously I'm going to ask y'all. The question is to each of you, obviously. An interest in Bollywood, क्या आप सोच रहे हैं?
Right now, I think all that's in my head is Miss World. So I really want to give my best because 17 years we waited for a crown.
Okay.
So I want to go out there because I'm not doing this for myself. I'll be representing the entire country.
Absolutely.
So I'm focusing on that. After that, maybe, I mean, I've not really thought about it, to be honest.
What about you?
I believe Bollywood has never been my first, I never wanted to take efforts to get into Bollywood, but definitely if I get a chance, then I would definitely try it.
What about you?
Like you said, the crown is a responsibility and we have to make sure that we do justice to it. So yes, we are looking forward to the next step that's coming and to make sure that we make our country proud. But at the same time, I'm open to all opportunities. I've always been like a drama queen since I was a child, and you know, in acting and imitating all the dialogues and actors. So yes, I'm open to opportunities, but at the same time, I do realize that the crown is a responsibility, and my first and foremost responsibility is doing justice to the crown.
Thank you so much.
For all the Garma Garam Bollywood gossip news and more, download the Zoom app now.